Hello friends. I know, like most of you in this time of coronavirus, we're looking at YouTube for new inspirational or funny content. This video is likely to be both. The funny part not on purpose, I assure you. But so I figured I would add my bit and let you know what I've been up to, these last year or so. I haven't posted any videos in a while, but I have kept building. I ran into a health issue that's had me sidelined, a couple of surgeries, and but I want you to know I didn't let all the downtime go to waste. I've been busy building. I built these 3 guitars in what I'm calling a Gulfstream series, and I'll take them down and let you look at them one by one, try to give you a little bit of background on the construction of them, and then we'll try to do some sound samples too. I think maybe we'll just do this one today, and then I'll put links when I get around to doing the other 2. We'll see how long the video goes. Alright, so here we go. This will be the Gulfstream 1. It's a full hollow acoustic guitar with 2 pickups. Alright, so we have a Western red cedar top. The center section is a veneer of walnut, about a 1/16 of an inch thick. The bridge is also made of walnut. It's a through saddle design, so the saddle goes all the way down and contacts the top of the guitar. It's got a bone nut. The back is more of that walnut veneer. It's got a matching cover plate there. The body, if I didn't mention it, the body wood is cherry, and it is fully hollow. Bolt-on neck. There's also a layer of walnut veneer in between the top and the body wood. So you have cedar on top, a layer of walnut, the cherry body, and then walnut again coming around on the back side. The neck is an XGP neck from GFS, Guitar Fetish. Standard electric neck. It's got a tilt back headstock, and it's bound all the way around. Works really nice. I've used 3 of those necks now. Here we have the raw wood. Well, after cleaning up a little bit, the cherry wood that makes up the body. Here it's being clamped together, and then it's being hollowed out first with a Forstner bit, and then come along with a router. This picture, I think, is from the nylon string guitar. A picture of the bracing there on the back. So let's do some sound samples now with the Gulfstream 1. As I mentioned, there are 2 pickups in here. One is an under saddle transducer, which contacts the top of the body rather than the bottom of the saddle. The bottom of the bridge, I should say, definitely contacts the bottom of the saddle. And the other is a body sensor. I can't remember where I put it. And it's just to mix in a little bit of body to the sound, I guess you could say, take away some of the brittleness of the piezo pickup on its own. So this is the piezo pickup, the saddle pickup, let's say, on its own. And nothing you haven't heard before. I should say that a couple of things. First of all, I'm going straight into a channel on this little mixer here. It's an alto mixer. All of the EQ is flat on it. There's some reverb added. Normally I'd be going through my pedal board where there's a body res pedal on there and some other things, a better reverb for one, and but just to give you an idea what it sounds like, and you know, as clean and clear as I can get it across to you. The second thing is, I apologize, my hands are affected by the treatments. I don't have much feeling in these two fingers anymore, or much hand strength. I expect all that will come back. I tell myself if I practice, keep practicing, it will. But for now, I'm just going to keep it very simple, play what chords I can still get to. And again, that's the saddle pickup by itself. It's full, it sounds good, but you know, you wouldn't mistake it for anything other than a piezo pickup. So let's move all the way ahead to the body sensor. Kind of a hollow, much deeper, but kind of a hollow sound. And in practice, I wouldn't use either of those on their own. There's always going to be some combination of blending the two that I'm going to be happiest with. So this pickup system, the preamp system, which is the Bartolini, I can put a link to it. I don't remember the number exactly, but it's just got a volume, a blend control, where with this system you can actually blend a magnetic pickup, which I used to have on here, we'll probably put back at some point, and a piezo, and then just a simple tone control here. So if I set this just back from the body sensor position, it starts to regain some of the clarity. This is right at 50-50. Okay, yeah, I like that, but I need a little bit more power. Roll it back towards the saddle pickup. And then I can roll the tone off here. And get that sort of thing. Again, the piezo all by itself. Bring in the body. A little more. And that's pretty much what you get out of this thing. It's got elixir strings on it. They're I think the phosphor bronze, a light set. Oh. Pretty happy with that. Anyway, that's the Gulfstream 1. Reviews on the other, or I should say sound samples of the other, are upcoming in other videos. I'll put links up to that. So, thank you. Take care of yourselves. Well, it occurred to me that some of you might want to hear what this sounds like through an acoustic amp, and I don't have one of those, but I do have this Line 6 Amplify 75, the smaller one, which does have an acoustic setting on it, and it does have tweeters in it. Allows you to approximate an acoustic sound. Okay, so I'm going to play a little bit through that, let you compare. That's the saddle pickup just by itself. I'm not going to roll it all the way up to the body sensor because I got this turned up pretty loud and it'll feed back, I think. So I'll add a little bit of the body. Smooths out the piezo really nice. Sounds bright. I'm going to turn the tone knob down a little bit. body sensor. I'll turn the tone back up. Go back here.